Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. And today, this is such an easy, quick chicken dish that if you blink, you'll miss it. Super easy. Just mix up basically a marinade for it and slap it in the oven, and that's it. So this is an easy one for the weekday or to make ahead, and it's pretty tasty. So let's get to it. What am I making? Deviled chicken. For the deviled chicken, I have the chicken thighs, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, paprika, pepper, salt, and a stick of butter. And basically we're going to put the chicken in a baking dish, mix the rest together, melt the butter, mix the rest together, and pour over and bake. Have the oven preheating to 375. My butter's melted. I'm going to throw in my pepper, lemon juice, paprika, mustard, and salt. I'm just going to whisk that together. It's all whisked together, and now we're just going to pour this over the chicken. I'm going to bake this in my 375 degree oven for anywhere from 50 to 60 minutes, uncovered. And they're done. You know what comes next. Now this came out so nice and juicy. That is really good. And like I said, I like using thighs instead of breasts. Breasts often have a tendency to get dry. Use the thighs. Thighs tend to stay more moist, and they have so much more flavor. So that's the easy deviled chicken. Super easy to make. I paired it with ranch baked potatoes. I did a recipe on that a while ago. Throw a vegetable with it, and you've got an easy meal. So, deviled chicken, give it a shot.